Niche selection. Selecting a niche is one of the first steps that you need to take after deciding to start a YouTube channel. We did not address this topic earlier, as we needed to cover certain basic fundamentals of YouTube before we go into niche selection. Once you have a solid grasp of the YouTube foundations, selecting a niche becomes more meaningful, strategic, and easier, ultimately setting you up for success in your YouTube journey. What is a niche? A niche refers to a specific topic, subject area, or theme that a channel creator focuses on within their content. This table highlights some of the popular niche on YouTube. We'll explore many more as we progress through the master class. Niche selection involves determining what the subject matter or theme of your channel will be, which will in turn define the type of content you create and the audience you attract. Choosing a niche allows you to focus your content on specific topics or interests that align with your expertise, passions, and target audience's needs. By selecting a niche, you can establish your channel's identity, differentiate yourself from other creators, attract a dedicated audience interested in your content, and maximizing the potential for growth and monetization on YouTube. It's essential to understand here that every niche currently existing on YouTube, with its own regular channel, can potentially be converted into a faceless YouTube channel. However, prior knowledge as well as self-interest in that particular niche is necessary. It is also important to keep in mind that there's no such thing as a magic niche. There's no inherently good or bad niche to select from. Understanding this concept is crucial. Another common error individuals often make in niche selection is basing their decision on personal biases. For instance, some might dismiss niches such as travel vlogging due to past experiences, while perceiving niches like digital marketing as superior because of its long-standing popularity. Blindly copying trending topics without considering your own interests, expertise, and the long-term viability of the niche is a bad and poor strategy for niche selection. It's crucial to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge in, ensuring that you can consistently create valuable content that resonates with your audience over time. By catering to a well-defined niche, creators can build a loyal and engaged community of viewers who regularly consume their content. When choosing a niche, it's essential to prioritize the viewer. Focus on what they want to see rather than what you want to showcase. Understanding your audience's interests, preferences, and needs is vital for creating engaging and relevant content in your niche. Successful YouTube channels consistently deliver content that viewers find valuable and enjoyable.